Do you move it?
No.
Hi, Oliver.
A little bit.
If it cuts mine off a little bit, it'll cut off the wave.
I need a haircut too.
Yeah.
I know. I've been socially distancing from my razor. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
Full disclosure, when I turned on the camera, I bumped it, so if you can't see half my head, we're not going to edit that out. You're only seeing what you can see.
If we edit it out, you'd have less in the camera.
Well, but no, we could reshoot it. That's what I meant.
If we don't reshoot. You get what you get.
Yeah, this is you get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Yeah. We live with it. It's like, well, that was dumb, but that's what you get. So.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
I'm very excited. Tofu egg salad, which I love, like an egg salad. It's like grandma's house on like soft white bread or my homemade sourdough, which is what we're going to do. Yay! So we're going to have an open face sandwich on yummy homemade sourdough.
Yes.
But it does remind me of grandma's. Your grandma Alma, my grandma. I love egg salad.
Who hasn't been at their grandmother's house and had an egg salad sandwich? I mean, after Easter, it was like
deviled eggs.
That's just what you did.
Yeah.
And so this will, now we've obviously taken some
liberties,
yes,
to make it
creative
plant-based.
Liberties to make it plant-based,
but it's still gonna
really spice it up.
Tofu and pickles, and it'll have all the flavors you're looking for. So
yes. So stick around. You will enjoy egg salad. Here we go.
And some jokes.
You can rest assured there'll be jokes.
The first step in making our tofu egg salad is to break our pressed extra firm tofu into good-sized chunks. We'll follow with our soft silken tofu and then use a pastry blade to cut it all up into the desired texture for our egg salad. Our texture is perfect. We're going to stir in our mayonnaise and mustard and give that a mix to coat. Then we'll toss in our seasonings, including some extra turmeric, followed by our diced celery, pickles, pimentos. Give it a good mix and then let it sit for the flavors to develop. Last, I'm slicing up some homemade sourdough to truly enjoy this delicious tofu egg salad.
You're going to be glad I made you wait.
Yes, I'm actually salivating. Like Pavlov's dog over here.
Okay.
So we have egg salad, tofu egg salad.
Totally looks like
amazing.
egg salad.
I'm a big taster as we cook, and Miss Hardnose over here was like, no touchy. So I literally...
We have not tried this till now.
Yes, so here we go. Coming in hot. On
my homemade sourdough.
Sourdough.
Toasted. I probably didn't do that right.
As I just shoved that enormous bite in I got the egg, the egg taste or smell. It's good. So
we should serve that to your grandma and see if she can tell.
Probably wouldn't be able to.
I don't think she'd be able to tell. So the big magic ingredient is that salt.
The kalanamak. It's like a black Indian salt.
Where did we get it? We had to find it on Amazon. We called every...
I called every spice shop, every grocery store here in Bend. Couldn't find it. Went to Amazon, because I mean, if we can, we like to support local. Yeah. Couldn't find it. And so, but you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. We paid for it. We don't have affiliate relationships with Amazon.
But it's for an egg thing, it's crazy. John stuck his finger in it to try it when he was like, you are not going to believe it. And
it's bonkers.
It's very fine, almost like a powder, but it has an egg
taste to it.
The sulfur. Anyway, so for that salt only
this
truly makes a difference. And the pimentos and the crunch from the celery.
Yeah.
And with the soft and the extra firm tofu, you get
it's like
kind of little bits that look like like egg white.
And then the soft kind of mimics the yolk because it's a little soft.
It's just like the right texture. It's the right flavor. It's amazing. And so much with tofu is everything else you put on it, but this is a home run.
Nice.
Lunches for a week.
Yeah.
If you don't eat it all with a spoon. See, notice I didn't put a spoon in there?
I know, because I would just...
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Tofu is amazing. You can do all kinds of fun stuff with it, including this. So, thank you for watching.
Be kind.
Eat pizza
with plants.
See ya.